Let me show you how to generate such paint text effect using Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Firefly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create new documents of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Add such text using Type tool. I have used Obelix Pro Bold font. You can easily download it from browser. You can edit the text using direct selection and pen tool. Hold Window plus Shift plus S key to make selection. Using 2 points drag and make selection. Save it as per your file location. Now move on towards Adobe Firefly screen. Click on Generate. Follow these settings. Select content type to photo. Remove unwanted keywords. From effects select Hyper Realistic. And from lighting select Studio Light. Now enter the prompt. Click on Try Prompt. Here are some results. Select one better result. From Edit select Use as Style Reference. Then upload reference image that we created in Illustrator. Increase the strength. In Styles adjust the visual intensity and strength accordingly. Click on Generate. Here are some results. We'll generate one more time by increasing style visual intensity and strength. Here are some results. Image with providing better result can be downloaded from here. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also don't forget to check out my other Firefly related tutorials. Thank you.